Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, boss Samus coming in the building. Like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we're there with another
Inside,
Brand new banger.
banger! Yeah! But before we get in it guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe and all of the good things them, because it really help out your Jamaican YouTuber. But anyway, we're not itch right tonight. Alright peeps, see the first video we're gonna react to. You ready? Alright.
In breach of the curfew order, bar being open. These men were seen in the bar. Snap raid run, here a search, nothing illegal found. They were found to be in breach of the Disaster Risk Management Act, and they will be prosecuted.
So me I telling you, so why the thing might get worse is why the government need to extend the curfew. Cause you just always have some man and people who just no business about the law. The government drop the curfew and them man they are bar all open. So I need the police and the soldier them on the road. So me I telling you,
blood clot to them. You know see me ginger. What? You know see me lemon, you know see me orange, and you know see me garlic in the blood clot pot. Coronavirus, you can't bumbo clot do nothing to me. Post soul, come out of the place. Blood clot to them. You know see me ginger. What? You
biggie man.
know see me lemon, you know see me orange, and you know see me garlic in the blood clot pot. Coronavirus, you can't bumbo clot do nothing to me. Post soul, come out of the place.
Yes, see ya. New corona mask, gentle people.
Look at this dude.
Get your own, get yours.
Wait till you see the
So you say make out a lady?
No.
What kind of buckle?
Water buckle.
Just take care of and make people get a real view of what they want to go on, then see what I go on. See there? See ya, ready. See to where man there we work with. Original mask. Nothing we say. We say nothing we sell a store better than this.
Nothing where the store can beat this.
Alright, gentle people, see it there? Gone
I
live.
eat this.
Massy coronavirus, aka COVID-19.
Little man.
She put on her reading
Show
glasses.
Trouble.
My friend said no breeze, no speak, no ear, nothing. She not suffocating at that though, she caught it. I'm done.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. The captain speaking. Just about ready to depart. Should be away on ship on the next couple of
The woman have a plastic bag, tape up power bag. The more part that's so, yeah, you know, say woman in a mad smaddy. Yo, you know, all me can say, and people are sample here, man. I hope this made you guys smile, cause this thing does funny, this different. Especially my youth with the washing machine and thing, that did bad. Yo, that did bad. See, some people OD this thing still, but yo, better stay protected. You know what I mean? As them say prevention better than cure, don't it? But anyway, peeps, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think down below in the comment here. Make we chat this, okay? You know, say that's one reason. You see it? And just go and journey the boy. Ah, shoo!
Releasing dopamine.